It would be really nice for you to freshen up
Yeah.
in the ice bath.
아이스 베스.
What do you think about it?
Ooh.
What do you think about it?
I'm all in.
어제 라스무스예요?
네, it was me. The rooftop.
그러네. 저 뒤에 남산타워.
My back room.
No, but you have the direct access to the health spa.
여기 또 뭐 스파가 있어요? 아니 이 집 뭐야?
This is how you're gonna. This is how we're gonna waking you up. Waking you up.
Of course.
김치냉장고 이거?
Kimchi fridge. No, I wanted to build my own ice bath because I really like the feeling after going into cold water and into the sauna. So I went over to Dunkin Market. I went over and one guy was selling his fridge and I went over, looked at it, I was like, okay, I want to buy it. And he's like, what are you going to put in it? And I told him, myself. And he was so confused, but I couldn't start to explain that I was going to make it into an ice bath.
야, 신박한 발상인데.
그러니까 나 너무 신기해 지금.
Then we have the jjimjilbang. the jjimjilbang a la.
Guys having fun. Sip up top.
Sip up top, yeah.
I just feel like I'm.
야, 딱 1인용이네. 어?
Should we?
Let's do it,
Okay.
dude.
Don't boast, take it to the chorus. Wanna rock with Jenny? Keep your head down, nails done like Jenny. Boss got 'em obsessed like Jenny. Like Jenny. I think I really like Jenny. Haters that I really like Jenny. Cause they can never ever be Jenny. But have you ever met Jenny? It's Jenny. But have you ever met?
Oh, he's back. Okay.
Ja, jag ska så.
Okay, you ready?
Ja,
This is gonna be good. Oh! That's pretty good. Okay. Now, for the fun part. I've never tried getting two people in this one.
Wait a minute.
But I think you're gonna take the seat on the far one.
Yeah.
And then just don't burn yourself.
Okay.
This one's like the steam hose. Alright, get in.
어머 진짜 스팀 가득 찼어.
야, 완전 습식사전하네.
Take a water.
Thank you.
Alright. Adios.
야, 장난 아니다.
What do you think about this one? This one is quite hot, so watch out for your feet. Oh!
Du did flyga ner lite grann.
Vet du vad det är nu då? Alright. Alright. Hello.
Could you wipe all the...
Which one?
We cannot see your face.
And about this one? Hello.
Hello.
Help! Oh, you're stuck. It's pretty good, huh? What do you think about this? You look like a houseplant.
Du är kuckuckpist.
So what do you think about my health setup?
Right now I feel pretty healthy.
You do?
This is really nice.
This is good, huh? I think this is gonna be good for you.
For you.
Just to like... I think you should lose your cool. Okay, let's go. You can stay here while I just prepare it. You want a little bit more?
Yeah, it's fine.
Just prepare it. You want a little bit more?
Yeah, it's fine.
Woo! Woo!
야, 이대로 찬물 들어가면 진짜 개운하다.
Alright, it's ready for you. I'm gonna give you this stool so you can Get it easier. All right. Step into it. Get in the kimchi fridge.
김치냉장고는
이게
너무
진짜
신기해 이거.
아이디어
진짜.
대박이에요 진짜.
아니, 너무 웃기다 이거. 진짜 너무 웃겨.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Damn. Take out the ice cubes behind you. Oh, it's still not too hot. Damn. Ooh. Okay, nice. Let's focus on the breath. Nice. Feels good?
It feels really good.
Yeah.
It sounds like I was about to cry.
It's so good. Give me this one.
Oh, ice.
You make actually get it all the way to the top. I don't want to take out some of the water.
I think I have more mass than you.
Maybe. Yeah.
So
That's a nice way of putting it.
I also ate a bit more lunch.
No, it's just to the rim. That's crazy. That's what they say. Damn, is she okay? Oh, afterwards.
Yeah.
Maybe you like it. It's nice.
Yeah, I need to get out and then stabilize, and then we'll do it again.
Yeah.
And I'll be
You'll be there.
Dennis the Menace.
Okay. He's risen.
He's the wrestler.
How's it feel? Okay. Not much. I mean, honestly, I haven't been in here for like 3 months. And 2 months since I've done an ice bath.
Come on.
My nipples! Well, how are you so chill?
Oh, sex a bit.
Let's get in. Okay. One more round. Woo! That's fresh.
Get in. Get in.
Woo! You didn't get your water.
아, 나 저걸 집에 설치해놓은 게 진짜 짱인 것
대박이야,
같아.
대박이야,
진짜
진짜.
대박인 것 같아.
Okay. All right.
Okay. One more round.